In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp sticker cannot share this file problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that your WhatsApp is up to date to latest version. For checking this, go to Play Store, search WhatsApp and tap on it. Now update your WhatsApp. If available any update version, go back, then go to your phone settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now find out WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, tap on force stop, then OK, then tap on storage and cache, clear cache, go back, then tap on permission, make sure you allow all permission, then click on battery. Now make sure tap on unrestricted. Now open WhatsApp. Now click on emoji icon, then click on sticker. Now I hope that this method fix WhatsApp sticker cannot share this file problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.